Alright, people and pets, here's our 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. You know, that special edition. It's got the old 8-cylinder in her. Like I said, she's a 96. She should be a fun little toy. I'm going to do some work to her. Today we're going to try to bust into the CVs in the front. Of course, typical previous owner puts a super stupid snorkel on there that does absolutely nothing. It's nice little LEDs. She got her typical 300 million miles on her. The, lovely Jeep door hinges that definitely need fixing. That's fine. And in here, see the spring perch is holding on by a, wet dream. Kind of same thing with the shock. Just pretty much along for the ride. Reese hitch. All that good snazzy. So we're going to try to backer all that in with some fresh metal. We're going to see what we can't do with this thing over the next couple of weeks. Being money provided and whatnot. And, 96. What do you expect? This should be a fun toy though by the time we're done, as long as it doesn't empty every pocket that we own. It just eats every part, so I guess we can't see what we can't come up with. I'll let you know. There she is. Snag your peepers on this one. She don't look no better in the garage. So it's just this same old eat your parts. She's got some, as we call up here, Michigan cancer going on in a few ugly places, but other than that, she really ain't that bad. Well, the underside's a little bad in the one back corner, but this side don't look bad yet, so I think we're doing pretty good so far. And of course, the rockers are all just gone. So, we'll just put a band-aid on that and make it look pretty. But the rest of it ain't too bad. She, nice and straight pipe, good and loud. That's the way we like it. It's not too bad though. Well, front's not bad. Somebody put a little bit of work into her, I guess. Whole front end's new for the most part. There ain't much left to really replace. Up there and lower, I can't really see that. There you go. Like I said, she got the old 8Vs going on in there. See our lovely snorkel that is Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth snorkel. Yep. Not too bad, not too shabby. Typical Chrysler V8, burns as much oil as it does gas. No big deal, it'll be fun. Alright, I'm going to get her up in the air, take tires off her, and see about tackling into these front ends. They click pretty bad. I don't know how he didn't replace those when he did everything else, but I mean, for the $100 it cost, it really ain't gonna be that bad. Alright, so we got her up in here. Got some jack stands. We'll take tires off and just kind of go from there. So we're getting somewhere. Maybe someday we'll have a hoist, but I don't think 10 foot's enough. We'll make something work. You never know. Okay, take two. I didn't like the way it's sitting, so I brought the front end up just a little bit more. Oh, now it kind of looks a little more, I don't know, level, I guess. A little easier to work on the front end. Now we can take the tires off. Gotta love how you gotta have this stupid key to take these stupid lock nuts off. Of course, there's one standard on this type. Well, I'll be if the parts didn't show up. Look at this. We got some brand new shiny rotors, new calipers. Replace some clicker aiders in the front. Nice. Some, yep, hoses. Nice. And of course, you gotta have the pads to go along with it. So, we'll get working on tearing this in. Yeah, just send it about like that.
Like that? Well, ain't that about a motherfucker? I don't know about that shit.
No, we did not take this apart first. It just came apart.
Just like that.
That was not video magic.
Oh, you want to grab me?
All there?
Yep. Perfect. And that's how you remove the axle shaft. Good evening, ladies and germs. That's all there is to that.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice. New.
Nice, clean, fresh Napa axle shaft.
Alright, so this is the new shiny one.
Pretty.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
pretty.
See,
Like,
side-by-side comparison.
and what? 50 bucks?
53 and some
change.
change through the shop.
Yeah. So 60 bucks. Can't beat it. Heck of a lot better than that old nasty clickety clackety.
Thing.
Yeah, no, she's not bad.
She's seen better days.
She might have a little bit of Silver Lake sand dunes in her from the previous owner. we've been
Potentially.
told.
So here we go. New shaft. Got to find that inner sweet spot. Oh,
Ah.
look at that. Look at that. Couple minutes of poking around at it.
And like a glove.
So we took a little quick look at the other side, real quick, make sure we're right about where we're supposed to be for the new one compared to the old one on that side. So it looks like we're pretty good. Just going to run the bolts in a little bit more. And make sure that we've got a good seat for the...
Probably should have whip-reeled it. It's fine. We'll just ignore it.
We'll take care of that the next time, eh?
Maybe.
We'll remember that for the other side.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's fine. It's a trail rig, you don't.
Yeah, I mean...
It'll be apart again.
The plan is just to build it up, to tear it back apart again.
You know, probably just because it eats every part.
It's a Jeep. It's a Jeep thing. You will understand it when you start becoming an owner. Just eats every part. So
Right.
it will be just emptying every pocket.
Alright, so let's kind of just, you know, polish off this boot here. Let's take a look inside. Well, I don't see anything broke per se.
Somebody had tried to get the lugs off, bet you, and drilled through because somebody forgot to give him a key and to the lugs.
Never seen anybody do that. Stupid.
My assumption.
Come on, people. Well, so much for thinking we had a good rotor.
So it's all right.
I mean, everything else is good. We're just gonna run it.
That's all right.
It's a trail rig. The sand will eat them anyways.
Next couple
Run
weeks.
it. We're just gonna pretend like we didn't see that, you know.
Next couple weeks are gonna get redone. The fronts are getting replaced anyway. So we'll give you a little more in-depth detail on the next part of the project for the driver's side.
Sounds good.
Oh, I didn't grab it. God damn it. Gave us a nice little platform.
Oh yeah, Jeep leaves you a platform for hanging your brake caliper. That's fine. That's a factory thing.
It's a Jeep thing.
Yeah. I get your Jeep thing. Not burns when I pee.
Not quite. It popped loose, but
Thought you used a breaker bar last time, home slice. Them gear wrenches though, I'll give it to them. They strong. I put them through some abuse and they just take it. You just gotta give it some peanut butter, you know, the old PB blaster. See, works every time.
all right. So here we go. Here we go. PB.
It's too late now. Fuck, run it. That's bomb.
It happens. Ah.
Yeah.
So I don't know about this new hose. We'll see. As long as the cap stays on, they might be a little farther ahead than WD.
Yeah, we'll see. It hasn't hit the ground yet.
Shit, yeah, right.
So,
we haven't dropped that brand new can.
Yeah,
The peanut butter really helped. It loosened them right up. So here we go. Here's hoping this side goes as well as the other side did. Probably should have grabbed a smaller screwdriver. Something a little more.
Go big or go home, homie.
Right? Well, you know.
Ends up in your eyeball a little better that way.
Drop.
See, that
Not sure what that was for.
Not. See that?
See that?
That's just a normal, not a the other.
We might have to do some cleaning up there.
Spray it.
I got the peanut butter there. The outside could use.
Can't go wrong with the old peanut butter. I want to have someone show me wrong. Prove me wrong.
Dude, look
Eat
at
the
it.
rust. Yeah.
Pulsating down that. PB blaster.
Oh, just eats the rust.
Penetrating catalyst.
Yeah, something like that. Man, that bearing looks really loose, dude.
I know,
They
right?
don't look good.
Yeah, run it. Dope. And then we go like this.
Wow. There
Look
you
at
go.
that.
Look, you're halfway there.
Good.
Pull her out. Ah,
look at that, baby.
Look at that, baby.
Complete separation, baby.
Oh,
Yep, it was
that's
time.
the good stuff there.
It
yeah.
was time.
I love how there's a zippy tie on the boot.
Yeah, somebody.
That tells you somebody's already been done in there.
From there. We'll rub that grease from the old axle right around there.
It's good. Just clean it.
Anyways,
Clean it,
good.
run it. Looks good to me.
That looks good. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, it looks factory.
Yeah, close enough.
Yeah.
Actually, you know.
Yeah. It's got about. Ooh,
That
that's
was
good.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Oh, we're in. Oh, well, that was easier than, okay.
Easier than the last side.
We're gonna give that a quick.
Yeah, everything looks brake clean, by the way.
The previous owner anti-Forded these. Really good like. So we're gonna kind of eliminate some of that anti-Ford. Just a little bit.
Leave just enough there to make it actually work.
Work and, you know, not overkill and just rattle right out, you know. So we're just really getting into this Jeep thing.
Look at how shiny that is. Man. Napa brand. What's Napa stand for?
That is no applicable parts available. We're gonna add a little bit more peanut butter to this.
Oh yeah.
Really didn't clean it up. Clean them up.
You don't clean up a trail rig, you just do it. I'm amazed you got the right bolts in there.
Well, you know, the only other choice were these, and I don't think those would hold. Sometimes you just gotta beat your meat.
Yeah. You gotta beat your meat to get it in. It's all beef. You don't go take a leak and you come back and the guy's got his job done. I guess the next thing we'll be doing is rear brakes. I guess we'll see you from there.